the heart of Pakistan's cultural capital. Step back in time as you wander through the halls of the Lahore Fort, a UNESCO World Heritage Site steeped in centuries of history. Indulge your senses with the flavors of Lahore, from spicy street food to delectable desserts. Prepare to tantalize your taste buds. Feel the rhythm of Lahore's vibrant music scene, where ancient melodies blend seamlessly with modern beats. Don't miss your chance to experience the magic of Lahore. Plan your visit today and discover why this cultural gem is a must-see destination for travelers around the world.